57. Real wealth. Which is better, $1 million or 1,000? The answer is an obvious one. If the 1,000 is real and the million imaginary, the 1,000 is clearly better. This seems to be a point so obvious that it's hardly worth making. Unfortunately, however, for most people, the imaginary is more important than the real. I've known women who always thought romantically about a man they perhaps could have married while looking down on a real and good husband. Then, too, there are men who see only good in their imaginary and possible wife and little in their real one. There are also the people who feel that every job is good and every house and location a fine one, except for the one they have. They spend their days complaining about and damning the real in favour of the imaginary. They're trading 1,000 good dollars for 1,000,000 dream ones. Will they ever learn? One wife spent over 40 years complaining about her husband and then, after he died, could only talk about what a fine man he was, how she missed him, and how she had not appreciated him properly. Had she learned anything? Not a thing, because at the same time she was failing to appreciate her children and grandchildren. Genesis 6:5 tells us of fallen man, quote, that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. Imagination denies God's good gifts in favour of a dream world, a dream husband, wife or children, a dream house or kitchen, a dream workshop, study or place. But Paul tells us plainly to give, quote, thanks always for all things unto God and the Father in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Ephesians 5:20. To do so means to recognise that all things come from the hand of God, and His reality is good, and our imagination is at best unreal and often rebellious and evil. Take a good look at what you have and give thanks. You're far richer with 1,000 real dollars than 1,000,000 imaginary ones. Our wealth is in reality, not in fantasy. Stop complaining and give thanks. God no more loves a complainer and a whiner than you and I do, and far less. Your wealth is in reality, received from God's hand with thanks.